This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and thanks for clicking onto this latest edition of the Carolina weather video here for this 28th day of April. And pretty quiet day once again unfolding for us. This is the radar this morning as I'm cutting the video during the 5 o'clock hour, and we have this band of rain in the Mississippi Valley, some embedded thunderstorms. There's been some big storms around the Houston area this morning, some flash flooding issues there, and a band of rain and thunderstorms moving through central and southern Louisiana. Of course, around the Carolinas, rain-free conditions this morning, things very quiet and very mild across much of the eastern part of the country. A lot of 60s and 70s. Now, there are some pockets of cooler temperatures that occurred in the Piedmont this morning. A couple folks actually managed to dip down into the 40s this morning. Most of us are in the 50s. And it's going to be another pretty warm day today. Still, for at least one more day, we have what's left of this ridge in control across the southeastern part of the country. But it's collapsing. And after, again, we'll be in the low to mid 80s for highs today. Let me show you what the upper air pattern looks like by later Friday. Notice that ridge is gone, and a trough digging into the northern part of the country, helping to further collapse what's left of that ridging pattern in the eastern part of the country. All right, so let's look at the model output here. This is the GFS, the Eurozee run, and this is valid. 2 o'clock this afternoon, band of rain and thunderstorms from the eastern Great Lakes down into the southern plain states. It'll be a dry day here in the Carolinas, and like I mentioned, low to mid 80s for highs. Now, tomorrow, that frontal boundary is going to try to drop very close to the North Carolina-Virginia border by later tomorrow. Because of that, I'm going to mention the chance for a few isolated afternoon showers and storms coming up tomorrow afternoon, especially, say, from Interstate 40 on northward. So don't be shocked if we see a few afternoon showers and storms tomorrow. Highs tomorrow, upper 70s to lower 80s. On a Thursday, can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. Really, we're getting into that pattern for the next several days, beginning tomorrow, where we could see each day an isolated afternoon shower or storm. Thursday, highs in the low 80s. Friday, a few afternoon showers or storms a possibility in isolated fashion. Highs again, lower 80s, maybe some mid 80s on Friday. I think the day that features the best chance for seeing some scattered showers and storms is going to be Saturday. This is valid 8 o'clock Saturday evening. That's the precip from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. And what happens is another frontal boundary drops in from the north, and you have some scattered showers and storms along that front from the Tennessee Valley on through the Carolinas. So looks like scattered showers and storms Saturday, highs probably mid to upper 70s in many spots. Sunday, even though the GFS itself is dry, I'm going to maintain the chance for a few afternoon showers and storms. I'm not quite confident that that front will clear completely through like the GFS shows. And then on Monday, additionally, some chances of a few afternoon showers and storms. So the upper air pattern is one that's not going to allow cold fronts just to blow on through here over the next week. What will happen is they'll get pretty close, they'll stall out, and that'll lead to at least some chance of a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And the heat will be backing down. Beginning this weekend, highs back down into the 70s once again. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Tuesday, and God bless.